Hello everyone, welcome to Nelson's English School, Standard 5th, Subject Science. Lesson 10, Essential for Life, Air and Water. First of all, I will give you all a brief introduction about what is atmosphere. An atmosphere is a layer of gas or layers of gases that envelop a planet. The atmosphere protects life on Earth by shielding it from incoming ultraviolet, that is UV rays. Now here is the image. First layer is troposphere, second comes stratosphere, third is mesosphere, and fourth is thermosphere, and last one, fifth, is exosphere. So now we will study all the layers of atmosphere in detail. First one, troposphere. Moving upward from ground level, this layer is called troposphere. It is the first and lowest layer of the atmosphere of the Earth and contains 75% of the total mass of the planetary atmosphere. Aeroplanes fly in this layer. Second one, stratosphere. The stratosphere is the second layer of the atmosphere of the Earth. It is filled with ozone gas. Swans, cranes, and vultures can fly in the stratosphere. Third one, mesosphere. The mesosphere is the third layer of the atmosphere. It is the coldest atmospheric layer surrounding the Earth. It becomes cold enough to freeze water vapor in its atmosphere into ice clouds. Thermosphere. The thermosphere is the fourth layer of the atmosphere that absorbs the sun's radiation, making it very hot. It is a layer where satellites orbit around the Earth. Last one is exosphere. The exosphere is the uppermost region of the Earth's atmosphere as it gradually fades into the vacuum of space. It is the only layer of the atmosphere that has a definite shape. The air is extremely thin in exosphere. Importance of atmosphere. Not only does it contain the oxygen we need to live, but it also protects us from harmful ultraviolet solar radiation. It creates the pressure without which liquid water couldn't exist on our planet's surface, and it warms our planet and keeps temperatures habitable for our living Earth. Composition of air. Air is a mixture of several gases where the two most dominant components in dry air are 21% oxygen and 78% nitrogen. Oxygen. Oxygen is necessary for all living organisms. Now, what is nitrogen? Nitrogen is in the soil, under our feet, in the water we drink, and in the air we breathe. Now, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is an important greenhouse gas that helps to trap heat in our atmosphere. Water vapor. Water vapor is the gaseous phase of water. It is one state of water within the hydrosphere. Other gases are hydrogen, ozone, helium, neon, argon present in air. Now, importance of air. We all need air for breathing, right? It is also necessary for burning because oxygen gas present in the air helps in burning, and also moving air helps in formation of different feathers. Properties of air. First property is that air occupies space and it has weight also. Now what is this? Air can be compressed. It is exactly the same as the air that you breathe, only it has been forced to a smaller volume and kept under pressure. Air that is compressed into a smaller size. Now, air expands on heating and contracts on cooling. Air expands on heating because the particles of air on becoming warm move away from each other and takes up more space. Since the particles move away from each other, the air becomes less dense and lighter in weight. The air expands on heating and contracts on cooling. The hot air occupies more space than cold air. Air exerts pressure. Air not only has mass but exerts pressure as well. The particles of air push in all directions and the force that is exerted is called air pressure. Now, importance of air pressure. See, here are some points written for the air pressure. Air pressure helps in everyday life like in filling up a syringe and a fountain pen, drinking with straw and using droppers. When you drink with a straw, the air inside the straw is removed while sucking. The pressure of air inside the straw becomes less. The air pressure outside at the surface of juice is more. Air pressure on the surface of the juice then forces the juice to move up inside the straw. The dropper also works in the same. Now we will talk about water. What is water? Water, a substance composed of the chemical elements hydrogen and oxygen and existing in gaseous, liquid and solid states. In the three states you can find water. It is one of the most plentiful and essential compounds, a tasteless and odorless liquid. It has the important ability to dissolve many other substances. Now we will talk about how do we get water. We get water from many sources like rivers, ponds, lakes and rain. How now the substance which are making the water unfit for our use is called impurities. Now there are two types of impurities, soluble impurities and insoluble impurities. Now what is soluble impurities? Soluble impurities means all those impurities which can dissolve in water quickly. And in insoluble impurities means the impurities which does not dissolve in water. So my dear students, I hope that till here all the topics are cleared. Furthermore topics we will discuss in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye everyone. Thank you.